In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your PS4 to your phone hotspot so you can use internet. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your phone and we're going to go to settings. Now in settings, you want to scroll down and select cellular, and you want to make sure cellular data is turned on. Then you want to go back to settings and select personal hotspot, and you want to turn on allow others to join and set a Wi-Fi password. Now, once you've done that, come back to your PS4 and we're going to navigate to settings in the top right corner, and then scroll down and select network settings. Then scroll down and select set up internet connection and select use Wi-Fi. Now, once you've done that, you can go to easy setup. And then after a couple seconds, you should be able to see the iPhone Wi-Fi network pop up that we set up using your personal hotspot. So we're going to select iPhone right here, and then just enter in the password you created for the Wi-Fi network on your phone, and you'll be able to connect to the internet. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.